So finding a solution for hiding your grey hair is not that difficult anymore, because I have found my solution, and I found this a while back. Today I'm sharing with you my secret of what I do to hide my greys. It is although a temporary solution, but it is a very very effective one. And I use a L'Oreal Paris Magic Retouch, and I have been using this for a while now. I use it during my shoots also, and this is something that even my hairstylist now has started to use after seeing me use this. And I love this because it's so natural, and it's like I don't have to run to the salon to do my touch-ups very often. And there are many issues why you have grays. I have had premature graying, and because of which I have quite a few strands, and now with age catching up and the stress and everything, you cannot avoid graying. So that is part of life, I guess. But there's a solution to hiding that or concealing that, and this is my solution. This is my go-to product when it comes to that, because I am not a big fan of coloring my hair so often, and I don't want to damage my hair with that. So this is super easy to use. It's literally like using a dry shampoo, and it conceals your grays really well. So the other person, or even you for that matter, will not even realize that you have put something in your hair to conceal your grays. It is that easy. And even when you are brushing through your hair, the product will not smudge, the product will not budge, and you will not even get to know that you have used product in your hair, because it doesn't transfer on very easily. The only way you will get to know that there is product or there is something that's concealing your grays is when you start to itch your scalp. That's when you have product in your nails. That's all. But otherwise you will not even know that there is product which is concealing your grays. So I have used this product since the past couple of years now, and it was not launched in India then when I started using, and ever since this has been launched internationally, I've been using it. So now that it's launched here in India, I'm so glad, because it's also launched at a very affordable price. It is launched at around $2.99 if I'm not mistaken, and it is super cute. A tiny little bottle which you can put in your purse, in your bag. You can use it on the go, and sometimes what happens is you cannot always run to the salon to get your hair retouched, the color retouched. So it is something that's super convenient, because it's always in your bag. If you're going out for a date, if you're going out for a meeting, if you're going out to just chill with your friends, whatever, but you have that one strand or a couple of strands just peeking out from your hair, you know that this is a savior that you can reach out to, which is right in your bag. Pull it out and just spray. That's how easy the application is. It's like using a dry shampoo. So I'm going to show you how to use this, and it's super easy, because you can see this tiny little nozzle here gives you like good precision to cover your grays, and you can use it from a distance to cover a larger patch, and if you have a smaller one, you can just quickly spray a little bit. So I'm going to show you the application. It's super easy. Okay. So to avoid spraying any on my face, I'm going to put a tissue right here. There. So you can see that's the color on the tissue. That is what the color is, and you can also see that you can't see any grays. This kind of, it doesn't make my hair look dull, it kind of gives it a nice shine. See, you can see that? It gives it a shine, it doesn't look grey, and that is what my hair looks like after it's done. And I'm also going to show you, for you to understand better, that I have lightly colored hair. So this blonde also is very much like covering your grays. I'm going to show you this bit that I'm going to color with the spray, and it comes off very easily with just one wash. So how easily this thing actually coats your hair and covers it. I'm not going to take too much, because I just don't want an abrupt strand of black hair. So here. can actually see the difference. Like you can see how the bottom of the hair, like the ends of the hair, has been completely covered, and then you can see the blonde, the actual color of the hair on the top, like here and here. Two different shades. That's how effective this is, and please excuse my nail polish. So it was super easy to do this, and it is super effective, like I showed you. See, it doesn't come off easily. You have to wash it in order to get rid of the color, and it lasts till your shampoo, your next shampoo as until you wash it. So this lasts till you wash your hair, and it is super easy, like I showed you. And I like that, you know, this is reasonably priced. It is for $2.99, and it is super travel friendly, and you don't have to do much. All you have to do is just spray it into your hair. They say that it lasts up to 25 sprays, but I have been using this for some time, and out of personal experience I can say that it probably lasts more. It depends on how much you use in one spray actually. So if you're using small portions, like to hide smaller portions, it will last you for more than 25. If you're using bigger patches and trying to hide longer strands of your grays, then it might last you maybe up to 25 or lesser. So it really depends on how you use it. And yeah, I think this is like something that you need to try if you want to hide your grays and you need that temporary fix. So this is a quick fix, effective one, and I love this product. So I'm going to link these I'm going to link all of this in my description down below for you to know where to purchase these from. And I hope you guys liked this video and found it informative, and I hope it works for you as well. So I'm going to see you in my next video. So until then, bye bye.